WITSON.
Online. But this one, in terms of the Android 14 system, it's gone into the hybrid version of the Toyota CHR today. Got the original rear camera, it's got original TPMS, and also I'm going to highlight the hybrid menu to show you what it's got, because I don't think the last video showed that, and also the video was probably over 18 months old, so it had the older series of interface on. This is the Style 3 version. There's a few little minor things in there, not to do with the functionality and what it's got. It's got Carplay and Android Auto built in, which is, that's the app for it there, but it's not connected to our phone. So I'm just going to show you the first thing is obviously the original rear camera. Works with it. Now just bear in mind, if you're looking at that and thinking there's any distortion or not, there's not. But I will tell you that because this is using the original camera of the car, the older screen is a lot smaller than that, so the resolution on the older camera tends to be pretty much made for the smaller screen, not for the larger screen. So as you see, we've got an expanded screen here, so you do get, obviously, I couldn't tell you whether this is grainier than what it was, but if it is, it's only basically because it's gone up to a large 9-inch screen, which the older one is a lot smaller, so the resolution on that is obviously not made for that. Okay, I'll just put it forward. Next thing I'm going to show you is the car settings app. See, it's nice and quick and responsive. Before I go into it, all these apps here I've pretty much explained in a lot of other videos there, but this one here may not show you that one, but that's our DVR camera. As you can see, that's a HD camera there, so you can notice the difference between that and the rear camera. This is the one that we've put on and selling on our website for $49.99. There is a tick box to actually choose it, to add it to there. This option here, this little circle, if you're wondering what that is, that's just a shortcut thing. You can get rid of that in the settings. It is a little bit annoying for me, that's why I'll switch that off for the customer or let him decide whether he wants to get rid of it. So this is your DVR camera. If you put on this here, you can go into where all your setup and your playbacks are. So every time you switch your engine on, 1 second, let me just put that on there. Let me just double check something. I think we just need to put an SD card. Oh no, sorry, there it goes. So that basically it's got an SD card in the side of it. This is every time you switch the card on and off. As I say, this is when we've done the install by switching the card on and off. And this is, let me just go back here. If you want to go back out to the main menu, just go simply to that there. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Go to that one there. And this is the vehicles car app, which is obviously what I want to show you today. So as you can hear, this is all the hybrid menu that you've had on there. So you got your trip info, you've got your history info, base info there. There's your sound settings, and if you want to customize your outputs and stuff like that. This is another one. This is the car with the original TPMS. So obviously if you've got the tyre pressure monitoring system in your car already, as you can see, it's working wonderfully well with that there. Pretty much plug and play. That registered straight away, so there's no setting changes on that. Setup, just show you a little through there, slowly go through it so you can see what it's got. We do have a lot of customers who ask in terms of car menus and stuff like that. We have to be dead careful how we answer these, because you might go, does it work with the car's menus? And we go, yeah, it does. So the fact that it's got these multiple options here, we may say, yeah, it does, and then we find out that there's one option missing, which is dead hard for us to basically get around. So what we always say is just check this video out, just to ensure that it's shown on there, and then you can work off basically what you've got in the car. And I don't know what the PM, oh, that's the electricity on the car, isn't it? So it's being a hybrid. Okay, so yeah, as I say, I don't really want to show you much more on this video, because it's just purely for the basis of how the hybrid menu looks like.
WITSON.